Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome back to the class of physics by the Vijay sir. In this class we are discussing about logic gates. This is the third level problems. This is very useful for NEET, EAMCET and AIMS students. Start the problems. To get the output 1 from the circuit of given figure, the inputs must be. He asking output is 1. So what is required inputs? Given 0, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. From option 1, C is equal to 0. This is the AND gate. So AND gate means dot product. Here C is equal to, if 0, C is equal to 0, 0 something, 1 is equal to 0, 0 and 0 also 0. So from this information must be C value 1 required. So if you want to output is equal to 1, so C value is must be 1 required. Check the options. Option first, C is equal to 0, option 2, C is equal to 0, option 3, C is equal to 1. So our answer option 3 is right answer. It is check the all options. So from the options, 0, 1, it gives a 1. So C is equal to 0, 1, 0, AND gate 0, output not equal to 1. So first option is wrong, and go through the second option. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, output is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0, output also 0. So option 2 is also wrong. See the option third one. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. So 1, 1, it is AND gate, output is 1. So our answer is the expression Y in the following circuit is. So this is the OR gate. OR means plus. So A plus B. Again C adding another OR gate. So plus C. D adding also another OR gate plus D. This simple ga. A plus B plus C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D. Nothing but it is A or B or C or D is our answer. Nothing but fourth one is right answer. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Then given X is equal to A B C complement plus B C A complement C A B complement. Then X is equal to what? So X is equal to 1. X is equal, A is equal to 1, 1 complement plus from this equation, X equation, and 1 complement plus 1 complement. So 1 complement, 1, this is 1 complement plus 1 complement, 1 0 plus 1 0 1 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, then is equal to 0. Check the options. First one is right answer. The Boolean expression for the given gates is A. This is the AND gate dot. So A complement, then A complement is equal to 0. Why? If A is equal to 0, 0 0 complement is equal 0 1 is equal to 0. If A is equal to 1, 1 complement 1, so 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. Then check the options. A complement is equal to 0, nothing but option 2 is right. The output of the combination of gates shown in figure is so this is the A connecting OR gate means plus, A connecting again NAND gate, so A dot B bar. So our answer option first one is right. Truth table for system for NAND gate as shown in the figure. First NAND gate truth table. NAND gate truth table 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, so 1 1 1. This is the NAND gate truth table. NAND gate truth table. Zero. This is the NAND gate truth table. So check the answer. See the answer. First I given 0 0 0 0. So here 0 0 0 0 0 1 getting 1. This is 0. So here 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So here 1 1 1 0. First one 0. So check the options. Option third is wrong. So option 4 is also wrong. Check the second one. Next 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1 getting 1. So 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Next 1 0 1 0 1. Output is equal 1. So option the second one is 0. Check here. Second one is 1. So our answer first one is right. The equation of following circuit is, so here following circuit A, this is the OR gate, B dot, this B bar connecting to AND gate, so dot um, b complement. So a dot b complement plus b dot b complement. B dot b complement is equal to 0. So our answer a dot b complement is right. Check the options. A dot b complement, third one is right. The following figures show a logic gate circuit with two inputs A and B and the output C. The voltage waveform of A, B, C and C are shown below. The logic gate is this is the A, this is the B inputs, this is the output. So this one is 0. So A 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So 1 1 1 0 0 0. So it is the OR gate. Why? Because two zeros output to 0, two ones input output is 1 1 0 1 output is 1 1 0 output 1 0 0 0 output is 0 1 1 output is 1. So this is the OR gate truth. Our answer is first one is right. The input signals at NAND gate is given below. NAND gate truth table 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is the NAND gate truth table. So NAND gate 1 1 1 1 output is 0. So 1 1. Check the options. This first option is output is 1, so this is wrong. This is also positive peak means 1. Our option between 2 and 4. Next one 0 0 again 1. So this is 0 1 right. Second one is right. This is also fourth one also right. Next 0 1 again 1. So third one is 1. Sorry, second one, second option third peak is 1. The fourth option third peak is 0. So 4 is wrong. Our answer is second option correct. A common emitter transistor amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector is 3 volts. The resistance of collector is 3 kilo ohms. If the current gain is 100 and the base resistance 2 kilo ohms, the voltage and power gain of the amplifier is. It is the 2017 NEET question. So he asking voltage gain is equal current gain into resistance gain. Current gain is given 100, so 100 into 100 into 100 into this is the output resistance, 3 input resistance, so resistance gain 3 by 2, so cancel. 50 into 3 150, this is the voltage gain 150. Again power gain is equal voltage gain into current gain. Voltage gain 150 into power gain given 100, so 150 into 100 15,000. Voltage gain 150, power gain 15,000. So check the options. Option 4 is right answer.